Andou na prancha, cuidado, tubarão vai te pegar.
Tubarão, te amo, falcão, te amo, Erika.
Don't be a dummy. Come with mommy. Mother.
No.
No. Oh. I see how it is.
You're pet friendly, right?
Where's your pet?
It's a penguin.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate this.
He lives in a group of about 20 penguins with his husband.
With what?
He has a husband penguin.
Penguin.
Yeah, he's homosexual.
This one.
Yeah.
He can fabricate a story.
I saw a TikTok that said if you mix peroxide, soap, and yeast together, then it makes like smoke. Blue smoke? Why soap? Yeast and shake. Smoke better come out of this, so help me God.
Girl, bitches always want to win the fucking. I'm just saying bitches. I wasn't even talking to you.
So what's up guys? Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-karate.
Oh, gobi. Sipa. Oh, talon. Sandang ka lang. Oh, grabe. Oh, galing. Oh. Wala mo. Ay mo. Oh. Tableng. Oh. Stick. Oh.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor. You say put them on your head. Ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco. Happy.
Hey guys, why are you guys eating pizza while working out?
What if we eat while working out? We can't tell the calories.
Yeah, dude, I'm a genius. Beachbody's Eureka.
That's not the way it works.
Don't hate that we're gonna have 6 packs before you.
Yes, God, don't hate the player, hate the game.
Oh my god.
My first attempt at trying to break a glass with my voice was a huge fail, but luckily I have some really kind followers that basically call me a dumb bitch because they told me I'm supposed to use a crystal glass, not a fucking glass. Anyway, they didn't have any glasses in Waitrose, so here's me in a freezing cold going to Sainsbury's, but luckily I found some crystal glasses in here. I also went and grabbed some toothpicks and some straws because you guys told me I'm supposed to put them inside the glass because it vibrates or something. Also, safety first, so I got myself some goggles because
I wouldn't want some glass shards going into my eyes.
anyway, my second attempt at breaking the glass will be using a toothpick. So stay tuned because this series will most likely get chaotic as fuck. Oh, hold on. Oh my god, I don't. The hills have eyes!
Oh, okay. That was pretty.
Dun.